So you've set up your confirm page, you've added your custom code. Let's take a step back for a moment and walk through how your visitor got to this page. So a visitor lands on your site and they're presented with an email form. They add their email address, submit the form, and Integromat is triggered on that form submission. We follow this route up to creating a lookup table. When we create this lookup table, a unique ID is generated for us. And we're going to use that unique ID as a confirmation token. So we take that confirmation token, we append it to a URL that's included in an email, and we send an email to the address that was submitted in the form. So if this was a valid email address, that visitor will now receive an email with a link in it. They'll click it. They'll land on this page, your new confirm page. And the URL will be the confirmation token. And the custom code that you copy and pasted into this page will grab that confirmation token and add it to a hidden form field. So now your visitor will submit the form. Integromat will get triggered. We'll follow this route now. We'll take the confirmation token submitted in the form and we'll try to find it in the lookup table. If we find it, we've literally confirmed that account. Now, something I haven't talked about with these confirmation tokens yet, and I'll walk through it later in this screencast, is that we're going to expire those confirmation tokens. They're only going to last for 15 minutes, meaning when your visitor enters their email and they get to this point of creating the lookup table and creating the confirmation token, the clock starts and they have 15 minutes to receive the email, click the link, trigger this form, and get back to this lookup. If they don't do that within 15 minutes, we're literally going to delete the confirmation token and they have to start all over again. There's no token to confirm with.